We'll start with the next topic, similarity of triangles. Okay, now for similarity of triangles, okay, we should have the first condition that the corresponding angle should be equal and the corresponding side should be on the same ratio. Okay, now if the angles of two triangles are equal, then such triangles are known as equiangular triangles. That was given by the famous mathematician Thales. Okay, so all the equiangular triangles, they will have the ratio of any two corresponding sides always same. Okay, and this is known as basic proportionality theorem. It's also known as Thales theorem. Okay, for that we'll have a just quickly look at this figure 6.9. Now 6.9, you have this angle YAX. Now if we join these lines, can you see these are two parallel lines by the construction which you have already done. Okay, now if you observe this figure, this angle of inclination is same. There are two triangles formed. It is triangle AED and triangle ACR. Okay, now this ACE and ACB, sorry. Okay, this is B. So we have got two triangles AED and triangle ACB. Okay, so this is B. Now here, if you see the sides AE and AC, then this AD and AB, that is this, then ED and CB. All these three sides are having same ratio. The ratio will be same. Even if I construct here a parallel line, okay, so I'll have another triangle here. Suppose I put here S. Okay, so then you have ASQ and AED. So that two triangles will be always similar because AS upon AE will be equal to AQ upon AD, and QS and QD also will be in the ratio. Okay, that is because of the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, because the angle of these triangles are equiangular, this angle is same, these two angles are same, and these two angles are same. Okay, now turn the page. Based on that, we have theorem 6.1. Now theorem 6.1 says that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So if we have a triangle here, we have ABC, okay, and we have a line parallel drawn. You can see this line DE, it's parallel line which intersects sides AB in D and AC in E. Okay, so whenever we have such case, whenever have a parallel line intersecting these two, okay, now intersecting means this and this is same, that is AD is equal to DB and AE is equal to EC. That is the meaning of the word intersecting. Okay, so this two will divide this AD upon AB. That is what we have to prove. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. That is what we have to prove. Okay, that these two sides are in same ratio. Okay, so for that we'll first understand the altitudes, okay, of the triangle. The first triangle is ADE. Now ADE, all the angles are acute and it has got two altitudes, EN and DM. Can you see this? EN is the first altitude and DM is the second altitude of this triangle. Okay, so whenever you have got acute angle triangle, the altitudes will be inside the triangle. Okay, now if you see the next triangle at triangle BDE, that is BDE. Now here this is an obtuse angle. Whenever you have an obtuse angle triangle, the altitude, okay, that is EN, this altitude, okay, you can see here this is the altitude of this triangle is outside the triangle BDE. This is the triangle and the altitude is outside. Similarly, you have another triangle DEC, that is DEC, this triangle. Now here this is an obtuse angle. Because of that, the altitude, that is dm, can you see this altitude dm? This is an altitude of this triangle, that is outside the triangle. Okay, so first concept is, you should have the concept clear that acute angle triangle have got altitudes inside, while obtuse angle will have the altitudes outside. So now we go to the area. Now area is half base into altitude or height. Okay, so ADE you will have half base, that is this is the base of this triangle, this is the base AD, and this is the altitude. So half AD into EN. Okay. Now next is BDE. Now BDE. So half DB. Okay, this is the base. Okay, and EN is the altitude. Next you have got the same triangle ADE, where AE is the base and DM is the altitude. Okay. Then you have got triangle DEC, that is DEC. Okay, where EC is the base. Okay, and DM is the altitude. Okay. Now if you see here, if I put triangle ADE upon BDE, that is this triangle upon this triangle. Okay. So I'll get half AD upon EN is equal to half DB, and this will get cancelled, EN. So you will have half will get cancelled. So you'll have DB upon AD upon DB. Similarly, AD upon DEC, again you will have DM getting cancelled, half getting cancelled. So AE upon EC. So that is what we have to prove, and it is proved. Okay. Now if you see the next page here. Okay, so many similar triangles can be drawn just by connecting this. Okay, and each of them are by intersecting this AX and AY. So this and this will be parallel to each other, this and this will be parallel to each other. Okay, now just turn the page. There's a statement of theorem 6.2. It's without proof. Okay, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So if you see, this is a triangle. Okay, and this is a line dividing these two sides, AB and AC. Okay, then this line DE will be parallel to BC. So any line dividing the two sides in same ratio. Same ratio means AD upon DB should be equal to AE upon EC. That's the same ratio. So if it is, the ratio is same, that means then this line is parallel to this line. Okay. Thank you.